First, I'm gonna cut the chicken breast in half. So just cut the chicken breast in half like that. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. I put a little bit of oil to make sure the spices can stick to the chicken. Some salt, black pepper, chicken seasoning. You can put as much as you want. Some paprika, sweet paprika. Let's mix together. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated with all the spices. In a large pan, add some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my chicken. Cook each side for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. I'm gonna set this aside and cook the last batch of chicken. That's the remainder of the chicken. Add some onion, one large onion, some garlic, about 5 cloves of garlic. Add some red wine, rice wine vinegar. Add some rice wine vinegar. One large tomato. Half a cup of chicken stock and bring to boil. Thickened cream, 300 milliliters of thickened cream. This one. I'm going to add some mustard, about a tablespoon of mustard, just to add flavor to the creaminess of this chicken. Bring back the chicken And then I'll add the juices from the chicken. Simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Lower the heat and just slowly simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. With some green onions. There you have it, creamy, delicious chicken. Easy to make. You can serve with rice or pasta.